Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem we have the equation square root of k plus 2 minus x is equal to 0. We're told if x is equal to 9, what is the value of k? So the simplest way to do this is just to plug in 9 for x, which will give us k plus 2 minus 9 equals 0. And now just use this equation and solve for k. So adding 9 to both sides, we'll get the square root of k plus 2 on its own, because these will cancel. We're going to say that's equal to 0 plus 9 is 9. Now if we square both sides, on this side we have the square root of k plus 2 squared. Well, the square root of anything squared is just the thing inside. So k plus 2 is equal to 9 squared. 9 squared is 81. So if k plus 2 is 81, subtract 2 from both sides, we get k is equal to 81 minus 2 is 79. So this problem asks us what is the value of k? K is 79, which is giving us D as our final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing. We'll see you in the next video.